friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Asus 27-inch Full HD gaming liquid crystal panel. So friend, Asus has announced a 27-inch Full HD gaming liquid crystal panel ROG Strix XG276Q. So friend, the display synchronization technology is compatible with Nvidia G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium and has an Asus extremely low motion blur feature that eliminates ghosting and tearing. And friend, additionally, the high dynamic range is Display HDR 400 compatible, allowing you to enjoy the game with gorgeous visuals that are free of blackouts and overexposure. And friend, the liquid crystal panel is an IPS system with a color gamut of 115% sRGB, a brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Jambon, a horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, and a display color gamut of 16.7 million colors. And friend, the interface consists of DisplayPort 1.2x1, HDMI 2.0x2 and single headphone port. And friend, the stand tilts from -5 to 20 degrees, swivels from -25 to 25 degrees, pivots from 90 degrees and adjusts 110 mm in height. And friend, the VESA mounter has a pitch of 100 into 100 mm. And friend, the external measurements are 614.81 mm in width, 264.84 mm in depth, 399.32 to 509.32 mm in height. And friend, it weighs about 7.47 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.